Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove Nsfw filter on Discord. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to click on the bottom right part of your screen, which is your profile. And after, just click privacy and safety. So it gives you three options at the first part. To remove Nsfw or not safe for work filter, you need to click the third option, which says do not filter direct messages. By clicking this one, direct messages will not be filtered for explicit images. And moving forward, there will be no more filter for explicit images from any direct message that you get. It is that easy, so make sure to like and subscribe if this works for you. And thank you so much for watching.